In this video, we'll take a look at how to get steady water flow and safer hot water in your LDV campervan. It's a simple process, and knowing how it works means you'll always have water when you need it. Using the system correctly helps prevent damage, ensures consistent water pressure, and helps make hot water safer to use. Press the water pump button on your control panel to get the system flowing. If you want hot water, press the warm wind button to begin heating. Wait a few minutes for the heater to do its job before turning on the hot tap. A couple of important tips. Always check that there's water in the tank before switching anything on. Running the pump dry can cause damage. Make sure you test the water temperature before use to avoid burns, especially after heating. And if your clean water tank drops below 25%, the pump will automatically shut off after 3 minutes to protect itself. And that's it. You're now set to run your water pump and hot water system.